Hello, I am Febri. I will present my summary of the article on Indonesian tourism in the midst of a pandemic. Here I will convey 4 points, namely the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia, the government's response to the decline in tourism, virtual tourism, and finally the conclusion. Tourism is one of the sectors that has been most affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Based on BPS data 2021, there was a significant decrease in the number of tourists. But local and foreign tourists, the total number of foreign tourist visits to Indonesia in 2020 is 4 million visits. When compared to the previous year, the number of foreign tourists decreased by 75%. Based on their national, there are 5 countries that visit in Indonesia the most in 2020, namely Timor-Leste, Malaysia, Singapore, Australia, and China. Most of these countries are neighboring countries, except for China. The beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. The case of COVID-19 in Indonesia was first confirmed in early March 2020. Since this pandemic has quickly spread to all regions in Indonesia. COVID-19 is an infection disease caused by a type of coronavirus that was first discovered in Wuhan, China, in December 2019. This virus is now a pandemic that is happening in many countries around the world. The spread of COVID-19 has had a huge impact not only on economic activities and the transportation sector, but also on the tourism industry. The government responds to the downturn in tourism. Several policies have been pursued by the government, particularly the Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy. To restore the tourism sector will still focus on restoring health. The policy for accelerating the recovery was discussed in the plenary meeting with President Joko Widodo on Wednesday, January 6, 2021, at the State Village. Minister of Tourism and Creative Economy Sandiaga Uno explained several directions from President Jokowi regarding the recovery of tourism and the creative economy in the future. The directive includes ease of investment by entrepreneurs, especially business actors in the tourism and creative economy sectors. In addition, there is a need for a revision of financial sector policies, especially those related to fintech or venture capital. Thus, it is hoped that business in the tourism sector and the creative economy can develop with easy access to funding. Virtual tourism. Virtual tourism is an alternative that has emerged in the midst of the boredom of the COVID-19 pandemic. Virtual tourism is present as a form of transformation and adaptation against the pandemic by utilizing technology. While waiting for the recovery of the tourism world, which has not been significant, the International Air Airport Association (IATA) estimates that travel will not return to pre-pandemic level until 2024. Virtual tourism can be a temporary answer to keep potential tourists interested in traveling when conditions improve. The content in this virtual tour is also very diverse, ranging from natural panoramas, museum, art performance, and performance. Traditional culture to the atmosphere of metropolitan life in Indonesia, which is available in the form of image and video. The hope is that the existence of a virtual tour can make potential tourists feel like they are in a destination where they want. This is tantamount to offering a try before you buy experience that can enhance travel. Looking at the data and explanation above, it can be said that this condition is very concerning. Moreover, the tourism and creative economy sectors have long been on the backbones of the national economy. For this reason, the tourism industry, especially tourist accommodation, should innovate, adapt, and collaborate so that the tourism sector and the creative economy can survive in the midst of a pandemic. The innovation strategy will help the hotel industry players in Indonesia survive the pandemic, or at least until the situation returns to normal. Common paragraph make various efforts will collaboration with other sectors in optimizing the sustainability of the tourist industry in Indonesia, starting from intensifying standardization of health protocol by providing certificate, providing tourism grants, providing training and webinar to vaccination tourism workers for the recovery of the tourism sector and the creative economy in Indonesia. That's all from my presentation. If there is a wrong word, I am sorry. Thank you for your attention.